How to at EMU, reading your academic transcript. Begin by logging into your My Emich account. From the My Emich homepage, find the Student Academic Services tile and select Your Academic Records under Quick Links. From the Student Records options that appear, select Academic Transcript. Your digital academic transcript will appear next. By scrolling down through the transcript, you will see your academic history in order from oldest to newest. By reading the Records menu in gray from left to right, you will see items like the class subject, the number of credits earned, the grade earned for the course, and more. Be sure to pay close attention to the grade column on your academic transcript. This column is especially important for transfer students who need to know which credits from which courses from their previous institution will transfer over to Eastern. EMU awards transfer credits for courses that students have taken at regionally accredited colleges or universities as long as a student earned a C grade or above. Not all courses taken by students who transfer to EMU will yield credit at EMU. Please see the Transfer Equivalency Tool, which lists courses from over 40 colleges and universities to find out if your credits transfer. If EMU awarded the transfer credit, the grade for the previously taken course will show as TCR, indicating transfer credit received. If the transfer credit is not awarded, the grade will show as TNC, indicating transferred no credit. Students can also use a helpful online platform known as Transferology to see how courses that they have previously taken will transfer to another college or university for credit. Once again, TNC indicates that no credits transferred over from the course previously taken. TCR indicates that credits did transfer over from the course previously taken. There are a few reasons why a course may read TNC on your academic transcript. The grade earned for the course may be under a C, the course is below college level, or the course was taken at a non-regionally accredited institution. Transfer students coming from a community college may also see the code MTA on their academic transcript. The Michigan Transfer Agreement, or MTA, allows for the transfer of 30 credits of core general education classes from a Michigan community college to a Michigan baccalaureate college or university. Students are able to complete the MTA as a part of an associate's degree at their community college or as a standalone package. The MTA satisfies EMU's effective communication, quantitative reasoning, and knowledge of the discipline's general education requirements. Transfer students with an MTA endorsement on their transcript will only need to complete the Perspectives in a Diverse World, if not already transferred, one approved LBC course or experience, and one writing intensive course. Other codes that students may see on their academic transcript include those that discuss repeated courses. If a course has been repeated as excluded from GPA calculations, it will be indicated with an E. If a course has been repeated as included in GPA calculations, it will be indicated with an I. Students may see other codes in their academic transcript that describe courses that are not used in calculating their GPA. These can be things like an I for incomplete, NC for no credit, or a W for withdrawal. If you have any questions in regards to your academic transcript, please contact the University Advising Center at the email on your screen for more information.